One really important thing to consider when deciding where to put your garden is understanding the path of the sun and how it changes as the seasons change from winter to spring to summer to fall and back again. So let's start by figuring out where south is. You can really do this at any time of year, but it's easier to do in the winter months because the days are shorter and the sun is at a much lower angle in the sky, which makes it a little simpler. Now to find south, there's an easy way that'll get you close, and there's a slightly more accurate way if you have a little more time. Now the easiest and fastest way is to simply go outside when the sun is highest in the sky, which is usually between around 11 a.m. and noontime in my area. If you go outside at that time and look toward the sun, right, and face the sun, you're looking south. A more accurate way to find south is to first find the exact middle of the day for wherever you are. You can do this by going to the website shown on your screen with a link down below. Enter your location, zip code, or something close to your location, and a graph will be displayed showing all sorts of information. And at the bottom, you'll see how much daylight there is today, when the sun rises and when it sets. Find the exact time that represents the midpoint of the daylight hours. That'll be when the sun will be highest in the sky. If you go outside at that time and look directly toward the sun, you're looking south. Whichever way you choose, make a note of where south is relative to where you want your garden. As we move from winter into spring, you'll see the days will get longer and the sun will start to get higher in the sky, but south will always be south. Watch the areas where the sun hits throughout the seasons, and as you get more experience gardening, it will help you to do a better job and understand what types of crops will grow better in what locations.